Hold on. Slow down. How you find out, say, start from the top.
So, since I've been back, I kind of just go to the main house every now and then. I might stay 1 or 2 nights. The thing is, sometimes I'm there and I smell her perfume.
Chanel number 5.
I thought it was just me missing her. But one morning I went there and something was out of place. I didn't question it because I was saying maybe I was the one who moved it and just, forgot to put it back. But 3 days ago, I went back there and the picture with me and her was in the living room. And again, her perfume scent was stronger than ever.
It's a movie, this.
I checked the security camera and there was a female figure in the house. And that person went into Dad's vault with absolute ease. I ran the plate of the car that she left in and followed her to Dr. Grant's office.
Oh. So that means she was in Dr. Grant's office the night I went there.
Maybe she was.
She take money out of the vault?
Yup.
That must be a payoff to Maxine.
I don't even know who she is anymore.
Everything will come together now. Oh, my head feel light.
That's exactly how I felt when I saw her. I felt dizzy. I wanted to throw. It was just all too much for me.
She give an explanation for this?
She said she had to get back at Dad.
For what? Radio station?
Not only that, but for taking out a hit on her.
Hit?
That's what she said.
That's hard to believe.
You think she would lie about that?
Well, Marcus, I'm a brother. I may have love for him, but he's not a saint. Politics make him ruthless.
I feel for something stronger. You want a drug on?
I have given up drinking.
Really? Okay. I'll drink for you.
You should take it easy. Or at least try to take it easy.
That's gonna be very hard to do.
So I guess it's fair to say they both conspired to take down Marcus.
That's a fair assumption.
I made a plan to come back and have some serious words with that woman then. Because the specialists them tell me say them find a trace of a drug called hallucinogen in the Marcus system.
What? So they were purposely creating the hallucinations?
It would seem so.